Hello students. So through this session we'll continue with the chapter A Strange Wrestling Match. Almost the introduction of the characters I had given to you in the first video of this chapter, and in this second video we'll continue with the same story. You know about Vijay Singh, who is a famous wrestler of his time, and on the other hand, what was the habit of Vijay Singh? He was fond of boasting. What is the meaning of boasting that I have told you? And likewise some villagers and some of his friends, they just boosted him out that he should go to the haunted deserts and just experienced the ghosts there. So this we had done, and Vijay Singh also went there, and then voice was there. The voice name, the voice is only, we will call it the voice name only because the voice was there. So the name of that voice was Natwa, and he said that I am your friend Vijay Singh. So just for sizing up his enemy, Vijay Singh just called that ghost in front of him only, that if you are my friend only, then why are you not coming in front of me? So now from that point we'll move further. I am reading from page number 46. Now see here. But here was this unfeeling creature claiming he wanted to meet a ghost. It didn't make sense. So that ghost, when Vijay Singh was calling that in front of him only, so that ghost was quite surprised, and he said that is it making any sense that the person is calling me in front of him only? And usually people used to get afraid of ghosts. They don't want to face that. But Vijay Singh is there who was calling that in front of him. Really, I don't know why you longed to meet me. Longed to meet me means wished to meet me. So the question comes from that side, that I don't know why you are wishing that I should meet you. That proves, said Vijay Singh in a bored voice, that you are a stupid ghost. The least a ghost can do is to read a man's thought. However, a worthless ghost like you is better than no ghost. The fact is, I'm tired of wrestling with men. I want to fight a ghost. So kind of excuse only Vijay Singh had given to him. And he said that you are a stupid ghost only because the ghosts, they used to have such power that they can read the mind of the people. But you are unable to do that. It means you are not worth to be a ghost. And the other thing is there, why I want to meet you, because I am now fed up by fighting with the men and the humans. Now I wish that I should fight a ghost. So these kinds of excuses actually Vijay Singh was giving to him. Now further what happened, the ghost was speechless. So further actually the voice, whoever was there, whether it was a ghost or not, but he was speechless. He was unable to find out how to convince Vijay Singh. He was expecting that Vijay Singh also, like others, he will just run away from there, and whatever is there with him, he will just loot it that. But everything was going against the ghost wish. Now, marshalling his ghostly wits, he made an attempt to look Vijay Singh scornfully in the eye. Frankly, he said, you don't appear all that strong to me. So actually he appeared in front of Vijay Singh, and Vijay Singh just strongly looked into his eyes, and he just said that you are not looking that strong to me as ghost used to be. Why are you so much confused? Appearances can be deceptive. So this is the question also. This is the fifth question of the first comprehension, that why did Vijay Singh say that appearances can be deceptive? Deceptive means these are false also. You can't judge anyone through its appearance only. So Vijay Singh is saying that appearances, whatever you are looking like, it can be false. It can be deceptive. Take your own case. He's talking to the ghost only, and he's saying just look at yourself. You claim to be Natwa, though actually you are a rascal of a ghost. So he's saying that you are just claiming that you are a ghost, and you are telling your name also, but I think you are not worth to be a ghost. You are just looking stupid. If you doubt my strength, let me give you a demonstration of it. So how much confident Vijay Singh was, and he is saying that if somewhere you are just thinking that my strength is lesser than you, so just give me a chance, I will give you a demo. I will give you a demonstration of my strength only. So here students, your first comprehensions has ended, and I had given you the homework that you will complete the questions, although I have provided you the solutions, but better if you will do it in your own wordings first of all, and then match your answers with the solutions provided to you. Now students, we are moving with the next comprehension, second episode you may say, and the second episode is further again how was the meeting of the Ghost, Natwar and Vijay Singh. So let's see here, although in the beginning only it is given that Vijay Singh demonstrated his strength by crushing what the Gauss thought was a piece of rock. So Vijay Singh really crushed the piece of rock or something else? That we'll read here. Further, the Ghost avoided a wrestling bout with Vijay Singh but decided to conquer him through cheating. So Ghost also somewhere convinced that Vijay Singh has more parts and he cannot be overpowered actually over Vijay Singh. So he thought that definitely through cheating I can just make him lose. So that is the points given here. So we'll read about this, how the Ghost was trying to cheat Vijay Singh and was he successful in that attempt or not. He invited Vijay Singh to be his guest for the night. So these 3 points we are briefly read further. Now see, Vijay Singh picked up a piece of rock from the sand. Just Vijay Singh is giving the demonstration of his strength in front of the Ghost. And he just picked something and it shows that it was a piece of rock only. Take this. He offered it to Ghost and squeeze it hard. It is filled with fluid. See if I'm wrong. While the Ghost tried to squeeze the rock first with one hand, then with both, Vijay Singh stealthily took out the egg from his pocket. So this actually Vijay Singh was also playing tricks with the Ghost, and he just picked first of all a rock from the sand and he offered to the Ghost and he said just squeeze it, and when you will squeeze it then definitely your squeezingness must be that hard that the fluid come out of the rock. Is it possible? No. So Vijay Singh just gave that to the Ghost, and then very cleverly actually he put out the egg from his pocket in his hand only. Just want to show the that Ghost that he is also having the rock in his hands, but actually that was not a rock, it was an egg only which the old lady had given to the wrestler. Vijay Singh snatched the rock from the Ghost and placed it between both hands and squeezed. So when actually Ghost was unable to do that, unable to squeeze the rock, so what did Vijay Singh do actually? He just snatched that rock and he just thrown it somewhere, but what was actually in his hand? It was an egg only, and you know squeezing of egg is so easy. So he just squeezed both that egg in both of his hands and he just tried to just squeeze that egg only. At once the yellow yolk oozed from around his fingers and the crackling of eggshell created the illusion of the stone being crushed, and like that he was deceiving the Ghost, and he just it had created the illusion means you know that kind of you may say false idea to the who is watching that and who is listening that it is a rock only. The sound actually was like that only, and the yellow yolk of the egg, it comes out and it just smeared around the hand of Vijay Singh. The Ghost was so astonished, he wondered actually. He did not notice Vijay Singh bending to clean his hands with sand and disposing to the telltale shell. And he was so much astonished, that Ghost, that he did not notice that what Vijay Singh was doing actually. And he didn't squeeze any rock, but he squeezed an egg only, and that time only he just smeared his hand with the sand there, and so that Gauss should not actually see what is there in his hand. So very cleverly Vijay Singh did that and was able to deceive the Ghost. Vijay Singh then picked up another piece of rock and gave it to the Ghost. Like that he is testing that Natwar again and again, and again he has offered some actually rock piece to the Ghost Natwar. Without a word the Ghost took it, felt it and peered at it. Vijay Singh put his hand into his pocket to take out the lump of salt. So on the other hand, Natwar is trying his hard. He is just continuing with actually he's squeezing the rock actually which Vijay Singh was giving to him. But on the other hand, Vijay Singh was just putting out the things the old lady had given. After the egg, what he put out actually? An lump of salt, and you know that is also very easy to just squeeze, and it will be just bruised out, it will just oozed out. So it is happening here. This is only a stone, Prostrates the ghost, and anyway it is too dark to see. So this time somewhere ghost was also thinking that he will be able to do that as Vijay Singh has done, but actually it didn't happen. It is so harsh to squeeze the rock. So never heard of a ghost who can't see in the dark, remarked Vijay Singh. The stone which you hold in your hand contains salt. Crumble it and see. So again Vijay Singh is just befooling Natwar, and he is saying that you are a ghost and you can't see in the dark. I have first time seen such kind of ghost only. And he is saying that it is just a stone only. You just squeezed it and definitely a salt kind of material will come out of your hand. Crumble it and see. Just try to squeeze it and you will see it yourself. Again the ghost tried to crush the stone, but in vain. But again definitely that was not only the sand, so the ghost was failed. In the second attempt even, he handed over the stone to Vijay Singh. The ghost was now beginning to doubt his ghostly power, and as Vijay Singh was easily playing the tricks with the ghost Natwar, and Natwar was unable to overpower Vijay Singh in any way. So he was somewhere astonished also, and he is somewhere just facing problem in just facing the Vijay Singh wrestler. So he is somewhere doubtful now, Natwar, that really am I a ghost or not, because a normal human is having more power than me. So here students, I am ending this video only, but definitely in the next video we will complete the chapter. So whatever questions will be covered here, that you will see, and definitely at last we'll do some long questions also that we'll discuss through the live lectures, and later on I'll give to you. Thank you.